Welcome to the Unbelievable RV Tour channel. The RV Tour is in its third year now. Fourth year overall, third year as doing a lot of gigs while we take the motorhome up north. We'll start this year off again in May on Lake Gaston, North Carolina. We start off the tour for some friends up there. On the way, we'll stop at Daytona Beach for a couple days. I like the Atlantic Ocean over there. Then we'll go up 95, head to South Carolina to near Charleston. And I hope to get into Charleston to get some footage of where the Civil War started in the harbor. From there, we'll hit Lake Gaston for a few days. After Lake Gaston, we go up to my home area of Pennsylvania, Pottsville, Pennsylvania. And we'll be based there for a couple weeks, where I'll be returning to the Traditions of America Clubhouse in Mechanicsburg on May 31st. And then June 1st, a return to Oak Creek Campground. Best campground gig ever. Those people really bring it. They work me hard, but it's a good time. June 2nd, Sunday, my home base at the Coney Island. In Pottsville, Pennsylvania. That's a Sunday afternoon gig. Always a good crowd, a lot of classmates of mine from school. After that, the next weekend, over in St. Clair, PA, next to Pottsville, at Tommy's M&S on Saturday night, June 8th. June 9th, a private party in Hellertown. Family had me last year to do a party, an anniversary party, and they're having me again this year for another party. I'm not sure what it is, but it's on June 9th. June 16th, I return to Coney Island for Sunday afternoon. After that, we head out of town. On June 21st, it's a tentative in Frankfort, Kentucky, at La Fiesta Grande restaurant. They set up the parking lot. They put a canopy over the entertainment and set up tables and chairs out in the lot, and it's a real nice time. Frankfort is the capital of Kentucky, but that is pending right now on picking something else up in the area because that was recently booked. On June 28th, a return to the Grand Valley Inn in Fallston, PA, which is just north of Pittsburgh, doing the Garth Brooks tribute along with Mike Sugg, my Toby Keith tribute. We do the Grand Valley every year, probably about 5 years now. Always having us back. Much appreciative of those return gigs all the time. On June 29th, Turner Fest in Findlay, Ohio. My friend Dennis Turner is having us out there and going to have a party. July 5th, a return to Four Lakes Country Club at the Green Jacket Tap and Grill. That's in Edwardsburg, Michigan, which is about maybe a half hour northwest of South Bend, Indiana. After the July 5th Edwardsville gig, I'll be July 12th at Diamici's Italian Club in Mishawaka, which is about just southwest of South Bend, almost the same town. On the 13th of July, Herb and Joanne having a party in Coloma, Michigan that I'll be entertaining at. That's about a half hour north of South Bend. We stay at a place called Bear Cave RV in Buchanan, Michigan when we do all those gigs. On July 20th, down to Wanata, Indiana to do a private party. That's also just south of South Bend. I don't know, South Bend seems to be it for me. Then out to the Ritz on the Lakes Okoboji in northwest Iowa. It's way out there, but these lakes, it's a beautiful area. A lot of boating, a lot of fishing, very resort oriented. Arnold's Park Amusement Park. That'll be July 24th through the 29th. outdoor gig, patio style, on the Fox River. I'm going to turn around in case the wind is getting in that microphone. So that's in Yorkville, Illinois. That is Saturday, August 31st. That's going to be a 4 to 7 gig. Then there's a couple weekends off, which we haven't formulated plans yet. You never know what's going to fill in those weeks. September 20 and 21, I'll be doing gigs at Sleepy Weedy Fest. It's a yearly private music fest that I'll be at for the 4th straight year. Mount Pleasant, Michigan. After Sleepy Weedy Fest, we head south towards Florida. We'll make a stop in Southwest Ohio, from where we'll be based, and I'll do Friday the 27th at La Fiesta Grande, Frankfort, Kentucky. That'll be my second gig there for the summer if the first one pans out, as I was talking about. It winds up on Saturday the 28th for Amy Fest. If you come to my gigs here in Florida, you know John and Amy. He likes to sing to her sometimes while I'm performing. He's part of the show now. And from then, we head on back here to Florida to start next season's gigging. Now, as we make our way around to all these gigs, we'll be taking some video and putting some posts up on the channel and describing how that certain gig came about, where I met the people, how they know me, and etc. Because a lot of it's quite interesting. That's what we have right now. Any updates? Stay tuned. This is the Unbelievable RV Tour. We'll see you in the next one.